TE is the expert engineering partner for active optical cable assemblies. Whether your needs are for high-performance computing, data centers, or network interconnect applications, TE is here to provide the best possible connectivity experience with our cable portfolios. Our Active Optical Cable Assemblies, or AOCs, expand cable assembly portfolio. TE offers the right active optic cable assembly for your specific requirements. With a comprehensive product range of form factors and data rates, our AOC portfolio supports SFP, QSFP, QSFP-DD, and OSFP in both straight and breakout configurations. We are one of the leading suppliers for the next-gen 112G capabilities. With an emerging new product family for 112G per lane, QSFP-DD 800G, OSFP 800G, and QSFP 112 400G. Why choose our active optic cable assemblies compared to traditional copper cables? Installation is a breeze because of longer reach, lighter weight, and a smaller bend radius. Our analog CDR-based QSFP DD 400G AOC brings lower power consumption, improved latency, and reduced cost. We are fully compliant to the Digital Diagnostics Monitoring Interface standard. TE is here to provide an unbeatable connectivity experience with support and cable portfolios to meet any customer's needs across all domains, including our active optic cable assemblies. If you'd like to know more, TE offers 24/7 support. Visit te.com or call 1-800-522-6752.